Hi there, my name is Abhijit. I recently got myself on this OnePlus 10R 5G. Let's go through some of its features. With a 50 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera with dual LED flash and a 16 megapixel front selfie camera, this phone has all you need to create some amazing photography. In addition, it is equipped with some great camera features such as Nightscape 2.0, Super Macro, Ultra Short HDR, Smart Screen Recognition, Portrait Mode, Pro Mode, Panorama, Tilt Shift Mode, Focus Peaking, Filters and Video Nightscape and more. The display measures 6.7 inches with a 120Hz IRIS display and a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels and 394 ppi. It also features a hyper touch mode, reading mode, nightscape mode, eye comfort mode and auto brightness. It runs on the Oxygen OS base 12 on an Android 12 processor. This OnePlus 10R 5G has an incredible 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt super VOOC, which charges the battery from 1 to 100 in just 17 minutes. For all the gamers who are interested in this phone, the OnePlus 10R 5G has a hyper boosted gaming engine with a frame stabilizer, which makes your gaming experience even smoother than ever before.